Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this 3D diamond ring box. So it opens like so. You could put candies or goodies inside. And it has this shaker part here that you could put some shaker things inside. So this is the die set. And this is the one to cut this piece. So I suggest you could cut it like 2 or 3 times. I cut it 2 times this time to make it thicker, so this part would not be too flimsy. Yeah. And this is the part that to cover at this place. So for this part, you also need to cut it 2 times. So to make this part also thicker, and then you will not see the groove flaps at all this part. And then this is the part to cut the shaker foam, and also this part. So you need to cut it 1 time with the shaker foam, and 2 times with the this part to to decorate your ring. And this is the one to cut 1 time for this topper part. And this is the part to cut the acetate paper. So you need to cut 2 times of the acetate paper just to make it see-through. And these are the parts that you will get. This is to make the this topper part. So you need to cut 3 times. So 2 times two pieces each time. So 3 times that you will get 6 pieces of this piece. So I have cut all these out, and let's get started. So first, let's fold all these folding lines. So fold it all like so. See, like this, you should fold it like this way. So this piece fold back and the other piece fold in. And then do the rest to the other 5 ones. And now let's add glue at this part and this part. So line this part up. And now line this as like so. Now we need to do the same procedure for the rest 5 pieces. And now to close the box. So now add glue on all these 6 glue flaps. And put this on top. Just make sure you line them up. Just, push all these pieces a little bit. Yeah, in this way. So you could make sure every piece lines well. It takes you a little bit time, but yeah, we want to make it into a a good box. And now take this piece here and put it like so. See, you raise all these flaps up and then put it here, so it fits good. So from this part, you can see that this is the front side of your cardstock, right? So don't make it long. Make sure the back side is at this place. And now we can add glue on all these flaps and push it a little bit. Then it fits great, right? So now let's put another piece here, stick it like so, so you can cover all the glue flaps. So the top part is like this, and if you want to, make this part more thicker, is okay, because, I think it would be better if you put one more cardstock here, so this part would be much thicker. And especially when you want to put a magnet then on this part, then I think it's better that you need to add one more layer on this. But it's it's like this, right? And then let's do the other side. So first, put all the acetate paper on this rim part, just like we did the shaker part, right? So it's the same procedure as we make shakers. And for this part, for this foam part, you should trim off this extra part. And now put your foam on the acid on this part. And now you can place some shaker base inside. And now we have these two circles, so we glue them together. Okay, now there is folding line here, so we fold it back. And add glue on this flap and put it in the center of this part. So this is the rim pop part. And see, like so. Then here goes your rim box, and you can use like a clip to close this part, or use Velcro to add it on this place to close it, or use magnet. So I use magnet here. Like I place it here. Now put this part on top. Okay, push it a little bit. And see, the magnet is already in the place. And now your rim box is ready. And you can definitely, make some flowers and decorate it on this part or on this part. Yeah, just decorate this part. I think that would be so beautiful. So this is how this box going to be made. And if you have any questions, just let me know. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.